Mga YouTubers, ito, unboxing tayo sa Smart Corpo SIM card. Order natin for medyo delay because of the pandemic, but okay. Unboxing tayo. So, this is 2 modem. May kamahalan. By the way, this is the there are 3 types of Smart Corporate SIM plan, unlimited internet. So this is the second type, yung with modem. Okay, with modem ito. So the modem can run up to 25 devices. Second plan. Kasi yung first plan, yung tawag na Infinity SIM, SIM only, designed for PC. This one is smart SIM card with modem. So this is the second plan. The modem can run up to 25 devices. There's a third plan. Yung device can run up to 45. Yung modem can run up to 45 devices. So, unboxing tayo ha. Okay, very, very excited kasi it talks about 3 months bago dumating sa akin because of the situation. Okay. Ito. This is very legit. So, if you want an unlimited internet, can run up to 25 devices, speed download up to 42 Mbps. That's according to the plan. Depending on the area. With my experience sa area namin nung hindi pa congested, aabot ng 75 Mbps download, upload aabot ng 25 Mbps. But depende sa area din. So ideally, yung si Smart kasi sinasabi niya 42 Mbps yung download. Pero actually in reality, sa experience ko, faster than that. Okay. So this is the modem itself. The modem. This is already ano na to? Equivalent to Black Mamba. We have the cord. Cat 5A, have built the external antenna, have the 2 Wi-Fi's, tapos yung dalawa to, the SIM card is here actually. SIM card is here. Ano yung SIM card? Ito to, ito mawala. This is the SIM card. Okay, this is the SIM card. Yan, dalawa. Order namin dalawa to tapos. This is 2. Yan. Nandiyan ha, si Smart yan. Pero may cash out itong mga YouTubers na may cash out. Dalawa. Order na. Ayan. So if you want to have a very strong, very fast internet connection, and for the business, this is designed for business. Kasi medyo mahal yung monthly nito. Okay? So if you want to apply, you can contact me. But actually, you should have an agent or a manager if possible backup para ma-approve. Di parang dadaan ka sa butas ng karayong para ma-approve. Ang daming requirements, especially business permits. So, pag wala kang kilala, mahirap pa-approve. Okay. Ayan. Smart Corporate SIM. Dalawa. Okay, thank you mga YouTubers.